I frequently get asked whether it's worth it for them to file a property tax appeal. To me, I always say yes. Let me explain why. Recently, a YouTube viewer emailed me asking me whether I thought it was worth it for him to hire me to file tax appeals for him. I told him if I did his property tax appeals, it would cost more than if he learned to do it on his own. If he learned to do his own tax appeal, he could pick and choose how much effort he wanted to put in a tax appeal. It only takes me 10 minutes to fill out a bare-bone tax appeal, but it takes more time for me to inspect a property, take photos, get sales comps, and do a property write-up. With more time and work comes higher fees. If I'm up against the wall on time, I will always file a basic tax appeal form and get it in by the deadline date. But generally, I don't like taking a bare-bone approach if I can avoid it. I prefer to submit evidence up front for credibility purposes. Because he was a real estate investor with several properties in a metro Atlanta county, I told him that he should file property tax appeals for his own knowledge and his own experience, even if he felt that he would not get a value reduction. He would at least get a 299C tax freeze going through the entire tax appeal process. Since he was going to own these properties for several years, it would be beneficial to him to start getting the experience now, get to know the tax assessor staff, and learn how his county's tax assessor's office worked. Part of why I religiously file tax appeals beyond getting property tax savings is that I stay in touch with the tax assessor's office and the staff and keep up with what's going on. It keeps my skills sharp as a practitioner and an educator. The tax appeal process goes much easier when it's a friendly process and you know who does what. If you are a property owner in Georgia and serious about saving lots of money and getting control of your property tax expense, the answer is easy. It's always worth filing a property tax appeal. You learn by doing and getting to know the people involved. You can certainly hire it out, but you will always be dependent on someone else. Now, if you need a jump start, I will provide a link to my YouTube playlist about Georgia tax appeals in the description area below. Last thing, my cat Jackie recommends that you swipe that subscribe button and check out my book, Tax Freeze: How to File and Win Property Tax Appeals in Georgia. It's less than $10 on Amazon for a Kindle ebook version. If you prefer a printed paperback book, it's available for a few dollars more.